What's up, y'all? Good morning. Good morning. One second. All right, guys. What's up, man? Good morning. So I'm going to go ahead and share with y'all now. EuroCAD. We've already taken our trade in this for the VIP. So hope y'all been having a great day since yesterday. We're gonna go over these updates. I am gonna share EuroCAD with y'all. So we, the VIP team, are already in a sell on this bad boy. We are currently in profit. I am looking to sell this down to this area here, and then I will be giving out a signal for us to be buying this trade. So that's what I'm looking for on EuroCAD. USD CAD. Now, what I am expecting is seeing that price action is doing what it's doing right now. What I'm expecting is for the CAD news tomorrow, the CPI to end up shooting this up. So I expect this to drop into CPI and for CPI to shoot this up, as well as for USD CAD. I expect for this to potentially continue to kind of make its way down in a corrective structure until CPI tomorrow. Then CPI should end up shooting this towards the upside. So we might be looking at a ABC pattern forming here. Okay. So we might not end up going for this secondary pattern. We might end up going for our first pattern, which I let you guys know that update over the weekend. So this is what I am looking for as of right now. Seeing that price action is steady making its way towards the downside instead of impulsively popping up. So the first option was for it to impulsively pop up to take this high. And then if we were here around CPI, then more than likely we were going to drop back to this level to end up forming that ABC. But seeing that we're dropping first, then we should end up shooting up to break this level for CPI. Cool. I'm going to go over the last CAD pair as well for CPI. So what I am expecting on USD, I'm sorry, CAD, CHF is for price action. So mind you that EuroCAD and USD CAD are um, two different structures and basically where they are. So I expect these two to kind of flow together. And CAD CHF, I'm going to be looking for this to drop for CPI. So as of right now, what I want to see is for it to continue towards the upside. We were going to look to buy this up this week, but it looks like this is actually going to play as the fifth wave here. So what I need to happen is for price action to continue to push up into this range by the time of CPI, and then I can expect to sell it off for the news tomorrow. So let's hopefully we get some impulsive move on CAD today, just throughout the board. So that's the updates for those. We were looking for NZD CHF to give us a correction towards the upside and then a push back down, but it gave a pullback. So a pullback is not acceptable for this structure. So we need more price action. Unless it starts to do something like this, then I probably will be skipping this one because it's probably just going to drop. So we might just be going for just your classic pullback, and we'll probably just end up falling from here. So it is what it is. GBP USD. So this one actually, instead of dropping down to wave three first and then pushing up, it actually ended up pushing up. So what I expect is for price action to continue to push up, potentially in this range or right here or this range, and then we could be looking for a sell-off on GBP USD. So I'll keep watching this one on the side. Mainly right now we're focused on Euro CAD, USD CAD, and CAD CHF. Euro USD. So this one has continued to push towards the upside. Um, nice. So what we're gonna look for on this one, there's gonna be a little change up on this one. So what we're gonna look for, because we were looking for price action to potentially break down and then shoot up, but it looks like it's just gonna continue to just kind of trend towards the upside. At any moment, we could get a false break of this trend line. That's okay. I still expect for it to continue towards the upside here. Once we take this high, then it's where I'm going to start looking for sales. We do have a secondary level here, so I do want y'all to keep mind of that, which I might end up extending this stop loss on this just to be able to hold both. Actually, since I'm about to change all this up anyway, we're just going to go ahead and do that now. So we'll hold it at around a 50 pip, and we're actually only going to be taking it here. Cool. So I do expect for it to literally wick above this high and then drop. So that I do expect. So, cool. So this is what we're going to look for now. So just continue to let it kind of push up, and then we'll take a sell trade from here down to this level, and then we'll buy it back up. So once it gets down here, we're going to buy it back up. With around a 20 pip stop loss, and we'll be looking to take this most likely into honestly, we don't even need a full 50 on this, but we'll probably be taking this into this range here. So that's our outcome for this week on Euro USD. If it does break this TL and continue to just shoot down from here, then we'll just miss the sell, and then we'll just be able to take the buy. So either way, y'all have a trade opportunity on this. Your cat is looking beautiful, baby. Let's go. That's our first signal of the week as well. Entry, stop loss, and TP we're giving out to the Premium Signals team. If y'all are new to the streams, make sure y'all are following us on TradingView. That way y'all don't miss out on any future streams. Our website information is down below, fxktrading.com, where you can find more information on our mentoring program as well as our monthly signals program. You also have our free Telegram chat room link below, our email. If you guys have any questions, just shoot me an email. The broker that I use is down below. Very, very good regulated broker. So you guys feel free to check that out. If you guys do check it out, let me know. Send me a message. I might shoot you guys some Bitcoin to add to your accounts as well. So our YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram are all down below. So cheers, man. Euro USD. That one we are done with. Odd USD. So for this, I do want to see price action pop back up at least one more time, kind of with that Euro USD. When Euro USD, we're going to watch Euro USD to kind of help us determine all of the other dollar pairs when they're ready, or you can just watch the dollar, but you can just kind of watch Euro USD. But when Euro USD is ready, then odd USD should be ready. So if Euro USD does come up here, then odd USD should be in one of these, this box range, and then we should be able to look for a sell down into this range on odd USD, and then potentially another move back towards the upside. If Euro USD does go ahead and crash down to this area, more than likely odd USD will end up crashing down here, and then we would potentially have a buy opportunity for odd USD with Euro USD. So y'all have the update for CAD CHF, Euro odd. So Euro odd, higher time frame, this does look good for another push towards the upside. I do want to see another wave down. I don't want to see it here. So we could be going for our classic APC right here. So it does look like we've gotten a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we could be going for an A, B, C into this range, and then potentially that buy here, or we'll be looking for a potential buy long from this level. So one of these two levels, we could expect a potential long position on Euro odd. Euro JPY. So I want to share this with y'all now because I do believe that it is going to fall. I am going to post this on my TradingView. We do have a nice 1 through 5 wave structure here forming, so it could end up just dropping from here, or it could go back up for one more high. Just watch it. If Euro USD does decide to go ahead and roll over and kind of lead EuroCAD with it, and potentially Euro odd and EJ, just kind of be mindful that we could see fall throughout the board on all of these pairs for at least one more low. Euro JPY does have our 5 to 6 step strategy on it. So this is something that you guys do want to keep in because it is going to be potentially a 90% accuracy trade. So other than that, man, that's all I have for you. Again, appreciate y'all for tuning in. Make sure y'all like the stream. It definitely motivates me to drop more streams and just continue to push out this content for y'all. So Y'all have a great rest of y'all's day. I'll probably see y'all later on with another stream towards pre-Asian session. Peace out. Hope y'all making some money too, because I gave y'all all of these yesterday. So just make sure y'all are following along, paying attention to everything. Make sure you're in the chat room where I give out the updates. It's completely free. Um, and then y'all should be good to, on your way to making profit or just becoming a better trader overall. So peace out, y'all.